A redox reaction is a reaction that involves electron transfer. Okay, so redox comes from reduction and oxidation. So you can think of a redox reaction as consisting of two half reactions, one involving a gain of electrons, that's called reduction. Okay, that might seem counterintuitive. Okay, students tend to get confused a lot about that because reduction and then you have gain. Why is that called gain? A reduction? Because you're gaining. Think of it as gaining negatives. When you add a negative, you lose, sort of, right? So reduction is a gain of electrons. Oxidation is a loss of electron. A good way to remember this is a few mnemonic devices, memory aids that you can use for this. One most commonly used one is oil rig. Okay, that means oxidation is a loss of electron. Reduction is a gain of electron. Okay, so or you can say oxidation involves loss, reduction involves gain. Or one of my favorites, I like this one better. Loss of electron is oxidation. Gain of electrons is reduction. Leo the lion says, girl. Okay. All right. So classify the following half reactions as reduction or oxidation. Let's take a look at this one. You have a sodium, okay, atom in a solid. So that's a collection of atoms. And then you get ions in solution and each separated from the electrons. Would that be considered reduction or oxidation? Is it A, reduction, or is it B, oxidation? This first one. Remember, what does a symbolic representation like this mean? What you have on the left is what you have before. What you have on the right is what you have after, right? So is that reduction or oxidation? This is what you have before and what you have after. So that means that is a loss of electron. Okay, what you have before has now separated from its electron. So when you see electron on the right hand side, this is what's called a half reaction. Okay, when you see electron on the right hand side, that is oxidation. Okay, correct answer here is oxidation. How about the second one? Is that A, oxidation, or B, reduction? I mean A reduction, B oxidation. Sorry, same choices. Is it A reduction or B oxidation? Okay, and that is reduction. Very good. So reduction, electrons on the left.